Okay children, let's do the next exercise. Okay, look at the book carefully children. Read the heading. Say the name of the word in the box. We have to say the name of the word in the box. Then next step, write the similar sounding words from the word bank. Here the word bank has been given. From this word bank, we are going to choose the similar sound of their, find the similar sound of the word, and we have to write it on their particular columns. Okay, here the three pictures was given and the word was given. Okay, we have to say it loudly of each word. Then in word bank, if having a similar sound of car or similar sound of horn or similar sound of nurse, we are going to write it on their particular boxes. Okay, so let's see how many pictures are given and what are the word banks given. Let's see. Okay, this is car, car, horn, horn, nurse, nurse. Okay, this is, you are getting the sound of car. You are getting a lightly pronounced of R, isn't it? Car, car, isn't it? This is Han. You are not at all pronouncing the letter R, isn't it? You are getting the Ha sound and N sound at the end. Han. This is a nurse, nurse. You are a little bit, you are getting a R sound here, isn't it? And then N sound having a is sound, that is S sound. Nurse, nurse. Okay, these are the different sounds of the word which is given here. Let's see the word which is given in a word bank. Okay, first I am going to read out the words randomly. Dark, yard, part, curve, form, storm, hurl, bone, north, sharp, burn, lord, curb, marsh and surf. These are the words which given in the word bank. Okay, let's see the first word car, and we'll see its corresponding car sound. This is a car. Dark, dark. You are getting the K sound, isn't it? Dark. I'm just putting like a C. This is yard, yard. Is also getting C sound. Next, part, part, C sound. Okay, this is a curve. You're not getting the R. No, it's not. Form, you're not. This is not. Storm, no. Hurl, no. Born, no. North, north. It's not north, no. Sharp, sharp, yes, you're getting a sharp. Car, sharp. Burn, you're not getting. Lord, not. Curb, not. Marsh, marsh, car, this is the same sound. Next, surf, surf, nurse, these all same thing. It's a surf. Okay, this is a car. Okay, so how many words we are finding it out? The same similar sound of the car. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So the 5 words we have find it out. Same sound of car. I'm going to write it on this column. Okay, let's write here D A R K dark, yard, Y A R D, yard. Part, P A R T, part. And next one sharp, S H A R P, sharp. And the last one M A R S H, marsh. Okay children, did you get it? Okay, let's move to the next word, horn, and we'll see how many words having this horn sound. Okay, the dark, not, yard, not, path, not, curve, curve, it's not, actually not, form, is a form having a horn sound, isn't it? I've just put it a H here. Storm, curl, you're not at all getting the R sound properly. Born, north, nurse, it's same thing. burn, Lord, curb. Okay, how that's it. Okay, how many words we find it out? The similar sound of horn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 word. We have got a 6 word. Curl is. Just write it which one? Form. F-O-R-M, form. And the second one, storm. S-T-O-R-M, storm. Curl, hurl. Born, B-O-R-N, born. And the next one, Lord. And the next one, I've just left it out one thing, which is, which one I just left it out? Burn, burn. Okay, these are having the H sound. So let's see the what are the word having that n sound, related to n sound. Let's see, curve. So curve, we are lightly pronouncing the R, isn't it? So I'm just putting N. And north, curb, surf. Okay, these all having the sound of the n's. Okay, how many words having? Only 3 words: north, curb, and surf. Let's write it here: north, curb, and surf. Okay, children. Okay, we have find it out the different pronunciation of R. Okay, when it comes the end of the R, we will just lightly pronounce it: car, park, sharp, nash. Okay, dark. We are pronouncing the R little bit. In this case, horn sound. These are the similar sound: form, storm, hurl, born, Lord, burn. You are not at all pronouncing the R. This is the rule. Then nurse. Nurse, you are pronouncing a little bit lightly. When comparing car, you are not at all pronouncing like a car we pronounced, but we are lightly touching the R, like a nurse, north, curb, surf. Okay, children, do you understand? Let's move to the next exercise.